Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Mental Crutches. My name is Julio Ferrer. If you're watching this video, then it's probably that you already broke up with your past. The past that held you back. Let it go. Today we're going to create a brand new today, a brand new present. How are we going to do that? The first thing we're going to do is create a plan of action. The most important thing that you need to understand is that you need to sit down and plan out your week. You need to create hours, or you need to visualize the hours that you are going to dedicate to your family, the hours that you're going to dedicate to your business, the hours that you're going to dedicate to your personal growth. If you plan out these hours, you are going to be able to really grow as an entrepreneur and as a person. Many people don't plan to fail, but they fail because they didn't plan. That is something that I want you to really take with you today. If you don't plan, you will fail. The most important thing you have to remember is don't let your past ruin your present. Today, planning your present, planning your week is assuring that you have a very successful week and you have a very successful present. Break up with your past, start a brand new future, planning your actions today. And don't forget, your crutches are only in your mind.